Alright, listen up beauties, I have to share my latest obsession. Ever had your eyeliner disappear halfway through the day? Yeah, me too, until now. Say hello to Laura Geller New York's Kajal makeup collection. I tried this stuff on a night out, and let me tell you, the Kajal longwear eyeliner did not budge. I danced, I laughed, I lived, and my eyeliner stayed flawless. Same goes for their lip color. It survived my messiest spaghetti dinner. We're talking all day, vibrant wear. And don't get me started on their mascara. Imagine having those bold, flirty lashes that stay glamorous from morning coffee to after dinner drinks. Seriously, this collection is life-changing. If you want makeup that keeps up with your busy lifestyle, you need to try this. Trust me, once you go Kajal, there's no turning back. So why wait? Click that link and snatch yours before they sell out. Your future self will thank you.
Hey beauty lovers! Quick story time. I was always battling with eyeliners that smudged halfway through my day. Then I found Laura Geller's Kajal makeup collection and oh my god, game changer. Picture this. I'm running from work to dinner with friends and guess what? My eyeliner hasn't budged, that's right, no more midday touch-ups. The Kajal Longwear eyeliner gives me this super rich color payoff and literally stays all day. Perfect for those marathon days. And let's talk about that intense black. I've been using the Kajal Longwear mascara and my lashes are popping like never before. Whether I'm snapping selfies or dancing the night away, my lashes look fierce and fabulous. Not to mention the matte lip color is a total lifesaver during those long meetings or quiet coffee dates. Seriously, if you want vibrant, long-lasting makeup that keeps up with your lifestyle, you need to try this collection. Trust me, once you go Kajal, there's no turning back, so why wait? Click add to cart now and get ready to slay all day with Laura Geller's Kaj.
Alright guys, listen up. If there's one makeup collection you need to know about, it's Laura Geller's Kajal collection. Seriously, game changer. So I tried the Kajal Longwear eyeliner and oh my god, it's like my secret weapon now. Imagine an eyeliner that lets you effortlessly switch between thick cat eyes for date night or subtle wisps for work. Yes, please. And can we talk about intensity? This eyeliner stays fierce all day. No smudging, no fading. Perfect for those marathon office to happy hour days. But hold up, let's not forget the Kajal Longwear mascara. Guys, think ultra black, sky-high lashes that get noticed. Picture yourself batting those dramatic lashes on a night out. Total vibe. Plus, it never flakes off, so your glam look is locked in place. Oh, and the Kajal lip color? Girl, I've found my ride or die lip stain. Matte, vibrant, and doesn't budge. Whether sipping coffee or running errands, your lips stay poppin'.
Hey besties! So I gotta spill the tea on something amazing. Laura Geller New York's Kajal makeup collection. You won't believe how good this stuff is. Okay, picture this. You're running late for brunch, swipe on Laura's Kajal eyeliner, and bam! It stays flawless all day. No touch-ups needed. Seriously, I wore it through a full workday and a night out and it didn't budge. And the colors? Let me tell you, whether you're feeling a subtle vibe or going full glam, this collection has got you covered. The rich pigments are so buildable, making every look pop with intensity and life. Perfect for those Insta selfies or serious glam sessions. Now let's talk lashes. Ever had mascara that makes your eyes look half Asian? Not here. Laura's Kajal mascara gives me my boldest, most stunning lashes. It's like having extensions without the drama, just pure, intense black magic.